what are the common coverages under health insurance? So if I take a health insurance policy, what are the most common product if I take? And what are the common benefits that I will be able to avail?
When health insurance started, there was a simple standard thought was that hospitalization needs to be covered. When a customer or patient is in hospital, those expenses are covered. But the way industry was progressing, and there are other expenses like apart from inpatient hospitalization, pre and post hospitalization expenses are also by and large it has become a basic feature of any health insurance policy. Now there are conditions which doesn't require hospitalization for more than 24 hours. That's a daycare treatment. Even these days, even this has become a thing which most of the insurance policies are covering. Preventive health check. Every insurance company wants that their customers should be healthy. So it works in two ways. One is that they are promoting health. Second is, if customer is healthy, patient is healthy, then they don't have to pay claims for that. They are protecting their book and portfolio. Modern treatment advancements are also covered. There are now every year, our scientists, our doctors are working and they are bringing modern treatments for any kind of disease. Even those are covered. Very nice to know that is even Ayush coverage is always available. Ambulance cover is there, whether that's a on-road ambulance or some high-end policies they cover even air ambulance as well. Maternity expenses are covered with some waiting period, and insurance policies are available in the market for that. These are the main standard coverages are there. But apart from that, today insurance companies are quite innovative, and they have come out with so many other benefits which a customer can avail, and they can also save money if they stay healthy. So these things are available, and these coverages vary from plan to plan, from insurance company to insurance company.
That's wonderful, because I personally like the fact that, because of the preventive health checkups, people can actually stay healthy. If they know in advance, if they are prone to some illness, they can take care in advance and then stay healthier. So it's like, you're taking care to build a healthier India now for us. That's wonderful to hear. And
Yes.
of course, as I told you,
I completely agree with you, because again I started with the thought that it is kind of a social service. So if
exactly.
we are making our country healthy, I think we are all progressing to the right side.
Superb, really. I agree with you completely, Harish. And like I said, I really like the critical illness cover. So, but what are the benefits of buying a critical illness cover? If you really, undergo some of these really, because nowadays there's no age for that also. I have seen, personally in my family also, very young age, people suffering from cancer. So, if something like that happens, then what are the benefits? If we suppose I buy and I do, God forbid, get a critical illness, what are the benefits that I can avail through this policy?
A critical illness insurance plan is extremely helpful, as it offers a cover of high cost treatments against life threatening diseases. And the best part of critical illness cover, which is part of a fixed benefit policy of a health insurance, the claim is paid to customer only basis the diagnosis. It is not like the treatment cost is indemnified. It's a full money. The sum assured is paid to the customer basis the diagnosis only. What all it covers? It covers the critical illnesses such as first heart attack, cancer for specified severity, open chest CABG, stroke resulting in permanent symptoms, multiple sclerosis with persisting symptoms, surgery of aorta, primary pulmonary arterial hypertension, permanent paralysis of limbs, kidney failure requiring regular dialysis, and major organ transplantation. Kind of life-threatening diseases are there which are covered under critical illness, and it also varies from company to company and plan to plan, where further under these illnesses the conditions and the stages are covered.
That's wonderful because it's very extensive, the list that you told about right now. And the best part is that you don't have to wait for the illness to be over to get the reimbursement. So, if you're covered for the entire amount, you get it. So that's a wonderful thing. That, it's like a service again, as we said. And of course, now million dollar question, whether I'll be eligible for tax benefits if I buy a health policy.
Tax benefit, definitely yes, there are tax benefits available. Even our government promotes this, that each and every individual of the country, citizen of the country, should have a health insurance policy, and for that reason there are tax benefits given. You can get a tax benefit by paying a premium for your insurance policy, whether you buy a policy for yourself or your family. You can still get a tax exemption as per section 80D of Income Tax Act. You can claim a tax deduction of 25,000 per year for health insurance premium paid for yourself and your family. If there is a family member age is more than 60 years, then it is covered. The deduction can be increased to 50,000 in case of senior citizens. The wonderful thing, government is helping. Although tax benefits keep on changing year after year by government, but these are at this moment largely benefits available under Section 80.
So it shows that even government realizes the importance of health insurance, and that's why it's promoting tax benefits.